ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We have been discussing Stanivatvam, when Adesha will enjoy the status of being a Stani. Because Adesha replaces Stani, so therefore it must enjoy the properties, attributes. Stani, Staninaha, Gunaha, Gunaha, Staninaha, Gunaha, Adeshe api vartante. So when does Adesha will enjoy Stani and when it will not enjoy? For that only there are some conditions, rules. That's what we have been discussing. When does an Adesha enjoy Stani? What is the condition? What is the condition? When does an Adesha enjoy or behave like a Stani?
Anal Ashraya.
Anal Ashraya. Varnashaya. Yatra Varnashaya Vidhi asti tatra. I'm taking a negative way. Yatra Varnashaya Vidhi asti. Al Ashraya Vidhi asti. Tatra Adeshaha Stanivat na cheshtate. Right. So, therefore, where there is no Al Ashraya Vidhi, there only Stani, there only Adesha will be like a Stani, will behave like a Stani, enjoys the properties of the Stani or attributes of the Stani. Right? The Sanyas, they are not Varnashraya Vidhi. Sanyas are name, a title. Sanyas do not enjoy, they don't have the, they are not Vidhi. In fact, Sanya Sutram is different, Vidhi Sutram is different. Vidhi is that which ordains a rule depending on uh, if either on the following or on the preceding, depending on the following or the preceding, or like Sandhi Niyama, etc., Sandhi or the Angakarya, all those are Vidhi Sutras. So, when where there is a Vidhi, the Vidhi is ordained to the Sthani, and the Sthani is replaced by Adesha based on the guna, the properties of the Sthani. So, therefore, Vidhi, Vidhim Varjagitva, and the Vidhi also Al Vidhi, Varna. All Vidhis are Al Vidhi. We cannot say all Vidhis are Al Vidhi, but here specifically because the property we are talking about. The Sthani is having a particular Varna, a letter. Therefore, it enjoys that Al-Tuam or Ach-Tuam. So that is a property. So the Vidhi is ordained for a Varna. Therefore, we say Varna Vidhi. So Varna Ashray Vidhim Varjagitva, accepting the Varna Vidhi, accepting the Varna Vidhi, in all other places, an Adesha will enjoy Sthanivatvam, will behave like a Sthani. But there is an extension of this is Sthanivat Adesha. Sthanivat Adesha Anal Vidau. Al Vidhim Varjagitva Adesha Sthanivat Bhavati. This is number one. So where an Adesha would behave like a Sthani. Now, this Sthanivatvam is extended to Al Vidhi also. We said in the beginning, accepting Al Vidhi. Now we say, in the case of Al Vidhi also. What is that Al Vidhi? Al Vidhi is because of the Paranimittam, if Karya can happen in the place of an Ach, very particular, okay. A Karya, a Vidhi is ordained in the place of Ach. That is, Ach is a Sthani which is replaced by an Adesha. It could be any Adesha. It could be like in our cases, in this Katha example, it is Lopa Adesha. Lopa is the Adesha in the place of Ach. And the cause, the reason, and the nimitta is Parahetu. So, because of the Paranimitta, if Adesha can come in the place of Ach, and now because of the same Paranimitta, if a Karya can happen prior to the Adesha, then in that case, what will happen? The Adesha will have Sthanivatvam. So here, even though there is an Al Vidhi, Vidhi Ashrigitva, Al Ashrigitva, Vidhi Asti, Al Ashrigitva, Vidhi Asti Chedapi, Sthanivatvam Bhavati, provided the condition is the nimitta is Paranimitta and the Adesha has happened in the place of Ach. These conditions has to be there. Then only it is Sthanivatvam, otherwise no. Therefore, this is an extension of Sthanivatvam even for the Al Vidhi. So combining these two, we have to understand. The first one is the last two classes, I think we have been discussing what is Sthanivatvam. Many examples we saw. Now, in the next Vidhi is Sthanivatvam is extended even for Al Vidhi that are associated with a single letter. That is called Al Vidhi. Even in the context of Karyani, that are associated with a single letter. So therefore, it is Atidesha. Achaf Parasmin Purva Vidau. That is a sutra. It is an extension of Sthanivatvam. I hope you understand now. Now take this Katha plus Nich now. Taking the examples, Kathadigana. Number one, Stanivattam. Number two, extension of Stanivattam even for Alvidi. Having said that, now what will happen?
Is it like both are interdependable and it will not happen without either one, right?
Both are, what both are, which both?
Interdependable, right? Both the vidhis I'm asking.
Both the vidhis. One, see, Atidesha includes number one also. Number one condition, that is number one means I hear the number one. Okay, number one says that are not associated with a single letter. Alvidim Bardhugitva. Number two says even in the case of Alvidi. Therefore, it is extension. Extension of the first one. The first one has to be there, then only second one is active or alive, right?
Okay.
First one is not there. How can second one be? We cannot talk about the extension.
Okay.
Chennai has to be there to be a greater Chennai.
Okay.
Chennai itself is not there. Where is greater Chennai? So like that only. So therefore, here, continuing here, Kat plus A plus Nich. So Nich becomes a nimitta for the akara to become lopaha. When ardhadhatuka pratyaya follows, kim bhavati akarasya lopaha bhavati. Therefore, Katha plus Nich. Now, can Nich see the upada akara? No, it cannot see. Why? Because akara is there. Stanivattam bhavati. How akara can be there? Because this is not Alasya Vidhi. Yes. This is that upada happening to the Dika happening to the upada akara. It is Alasya only. It is Alvidhi only. Where there is Alvidhi, this Stanivattam na bhavati. But here, Paranimitta is Nich. And the Karya is happening preceding, prior to the Stani. That is before. Right? Therefore, in that case, also, even though there is Al-Ashray Vidhi is Ata Upadayaha, Upada getting Vriddhi Adesha. That is Al-Ashray Vidhi. Even though Al-Ashray Vidhi is there, then this Adesha, that is the Lopa Adesha, which has come in the place of Stani A, the Lopa Adesha will enjoy Achtuvam. So therefore, Paranimitta will see Akara as though being there. Because Akara is there, therefore, Upada letter for Nich is not Akara, therefore, Vriddhi Adesha, that is Upada Vriddhi, will not happen. Therefore, what will happen? Kat plus E, it will become Kati. So, which rule is applied here? The rule number 2 is applied. That is, this is Adesha done in the place of Ach due to Paranimitta. Due to Paranimitta, acts like a Stani. That will apply here. Therefore, you get Kati. Is it clear?
Yes, Jia.
Yes, Jishal.
That's what it is all about. That's what we're discussing. So it must be clear. Now, I will ask something which is not connected to this. One minute. One more example, just to no. This part is over. This part is over. Kathadigana. This is over the Kathadigana. That is the Adanta. The dhatus of the Churadigana will be treated. Now, Stanivattam, I'll give another example. You tell me. Simple one. Already I've given you many examples like Dev plus Dev Shabda, Dev declension, Dev plus Su. We get a Devhu, then Dev plus Bhyam. Similarly, one more example. I'll give. You can, simple example. Before that, H plus ta. This example not connected to Stanivat, but still I want to derive the form of the Nishta form of H, and after that I'll give the example for Stanivatum. Now you can tell me what will happen. H plus ta. Recently also we saw H Jadigana.
Samprasaranam. That one.
Very good. H plus
Samprasana.
Samprasaranam means what will
E.
Yeah becomes
Yakara.
Ishta. Form is
Yakara
Ishta.
becomes Ika. Yeah.
So Yakara will be replaced by Ik letter, right?
Ik letter.
So this is Yakara plus Akara, then Jakara, then Ta Pratyaya is there. Yakara will be replaced by Ikara. Then E plus A, what will happen?
It also Samprasaranam. So
Samprasana.
Pura Rupam will happen. And
Both will be replaced by Purva.
Vice Purva.
Yeah.
E is Samprasaranam. It gets enjoys a Sanya. Samprasaranam, right? Okay. E plus A will become E only.
E only.
H plus the after that.
then Shakara will happen.
Yes. What is the rule for that?
Brashya.
Shakara, Chavarga when followed by Jal will be replaced by Kavarga, right? That will be a sing Sandhi chart, you please see. Chavarga when followed by that's Usarga I'm saying, but that will not apply. Okay. Chavarganta Shabda when followed by Jal, what happens? Chavarga will be replaced by Kavarga. Will you apply that? No. You can see the Sandhi chart. This is all Sandhi. Okay. Just to recollect. Choko Kuhu, that rule. Chu at the end of the Padam, or when followed by a Jal, will be replaced by corresponding Kavarga letter we know. This is number you see, 8 to 30. 8 means it is Tripadi. But there is a rule coming just after that. 33 itself is that. What is that? Dhatus, sorry, not 33, 36. Shatam. Dhatus, Brashcha, Srija, Mrija, Yaja, Astikla. Yaja, here, Dhatu Yaja is that is the Dhatu we are talking about. And the Dhatus ending with Chakara, Shakara, the end of the Padam are followed by Jal, will be replaced by Murdhanya Shakara. So this will apply. This is Apavada to Kutva Adesha, right? So that will apply. Therefore, Jakara will get Shakara Adesha. That's what Shattam number 1 will apply. Then you get the form. After that,
Shutva Sandhi.
the Sandhi. Takara will become Takara. So you get the form. Ishta.
Ishta.
So this we know. So this is only incidental. We are not interested in this derivation. Still, for the sake of the example which we are going to see. So Yachidatu becomes Ishta. Now Ramaha plus Ishtaha. You just do this Sandhi. This is, I'll put it a star mark that it has come here. Star. Ramaha plus Ishtaha. Please do the Sandhi. What is the Sandhi of Ramaha plus Ishtaha?
Visarga drop.
Visarga?
Will drop.
Yakara.
Visarga will drop. Visarga will.
Visarga is replaced by
By Yakara.
And
Why it is replaced by Yakara?
Because preceded by Akara and followed by Ach other than
other than
akara.
akara.
So followed by ash letter, and ash letter, within ash letter it is ach letter other than akara. Therefore,
Yakara
It
will come
becomes,
and
it
yakara
becomes,
yes.
lopaha
Why
optional.
yakara optionally, it is.
optionally lopaha bhavati. Therefore, you get Rama ishtaha or
Ishta,
Rama,
Ramai.
right?
Yeah.
Now the question comes here. What question? I don't know.
Yakara is Sthanivati here.
Ah. So what I would say, what you said is correct. But why not like this? Ramaha plus ishtaha, I said. Ramaha plus. In the place of E, what was there before? E is an adesha, right?
Yakara.
Yakara.
So, even though ishtaha is there, but in the place of E, it was yakara, right? Yakara was there before. So, if you consider that Sthanivatvam, if you consider Sthanivatvam, what will happen? So, let me put it within code so that we don't get confused. Within code means it is Sthanivatvam, something like that we have to assign. Ikara enjoys, that is, the Adesha enjoys, if it enjoys Haltvam, it enjoys, generally it enjoys. If it is not, Alvidi. Here, Alvidi is there or not? Alvidi is there or not? Why you say, why you didn't assume that Visarga is followed by Yakara? That itself is Alvidi. What is the Vidhi? Here you said there's a rule. Visarga when preceded by Akara,
Akara.
followed by Ach.
Ash, which is Ach, yeah.
Ach letter other than A. Alvidi only, right? So it
Yes.
Visarga replaced by Yakara depends on both the preceding and the following letter. So Al Ashray Vidhi only. That rule is that Vidhi is Al Ashray Vidhi. That Sandhi Vidhi is Al Ashray Vidhi only. So therefore Al Ashray Vidhi is there. Therefore here Yakara is not Sthanivatvam. Therefore only you apply, you get the form. If it is not there, what will happen? Suppose if it is not there, then what will happen? It means, suppose Yakara, the Adesha, that is the Sthani, the Adesha enjoys Sthanivatvam, Haltvam. Then what will happen? Rama plus Ishtaha, that E enjoys Haltvam. Then what is the form you get? Then what is the final form? Suppose if Ikara enjoys Haltvam, that is Yakaratvam if it enjoys. Simple.
Ashika will apply.
That will apply. Therefore, what will happen? Visarga preceded by A,
Yeah.
followed by Hash letter. Therefore, Visarga will be replaced by
Ukara.
Ukara.
So, therefore, what will you get? You get Rama plus who becomes Ramo? Ramo Ishtaha. This is wrong. This is wrong. We don't do like that. Here, why? Because Sthanivattam nasti. Kimartam Sthanivattam nasti? Al-ashrayatvad. Al-ashrayatvad. Sthanivattam nasti. This is a counter example. Why? This year, the Sthanivattam not there. If Sthanivattam is there, Ramo Ishtaha will come. That is not the form, Ishta form also. What rule will apply? Because Alvidi is there, Yakara only Adesha only will come. That's the difference between the two. Alvidi is there, therefore Yakara Adesha. If Alvidi is there, therefore Sthanivattam nasti, therefore Yakara is there and Yakara will lopa bhavat. If Sthanivattam is there, then Ukara will come. So there's a difference in the Adesha because of Stanivatvam, right? Because of alvidhi. Therefore, alvidhi being there, Stanivatvam na bhavati. Therefore, Ramo Ishtaha is not the Shuddha form. That's just an example to make you understand. That is not the right one. Okay. We need to know which is not right also. Then only we'll know what is right. Okay. Understand? Is it clear? This is
Yes, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ji.
Stanivatvam. So right one is, this is the one. This at the time of Sunday, we don't discuss this because that time is too much. So we don't discuss. But now we have come to the level. So we can discuss why Stanivatvam is there, why it is not there. Because of the vidhi. Okay. Fine. All these examples will make us understand the Stanivatvam. So therefore, this is Stanivat Adeshaha. Anal Vidau, Ataf Parasmin Purva Vidau. That Purva Vidau, that will apply. Number 2 will apply. Therefore, you get Kati. Now, once you get Kati, you can add a niche. Niche, you can add. Niche, in what sense it is added to the dhatus of the Churadigana?
Swarte and Pratnarte.
Swarte, it will get naturally Swarte. Swasyarte, niche bhavati. Preranarte api eva niche eva. Therefore, samana rupam eva. Kati plus niche. Swarte va, preranarte va. But unless it is specified, it is Swarte. Right? Anyesham dhatunam, anya gana dhatunam, kimarte bhavati. Niche.
Prerna.
Preranarte.
Vedanarthi.
That is what Nijanta we saw. Nijanta. Nijanta only that Rasva, that Bit Sanya, etc. we saw. Okay. So that also quickly we can do summary, but if time is there, let's see. Now Kati plus Nich, what will happen? Kati plus Nich, Igantasya,
Rupaha.
Kati plus Nich. Right? Okay, sorry. Kati, not Kati plus.
Kati is already.
Sorry, Kati in the form. Not Kati plus Nich. Kati plus Tit. Okay.
Shap plus
Kati plus Shap plus.
Shap plus Tit.
Kati
So
with
it
Kate.
Katayati.
So you get the form. Katayati. Similarly, in this Dhatu Pata, we will see Adanta Gana. Churadigana. The last class we saw 242 to 332. Adantaha Katha Vakya Prabandhe. Katha Vakya Prabandhe. Kathadigana, first one. Then the next one. Next one is Vara. Vara is also Churadigana. What is the meaning of Vara? Vara is meaning Ipsayam. Ipsayam, that will become. What is the form you get? Vara will become.
Will become very.
Okay, that is Adrishya that we have to see. That Vrudhatu. Vrudhatu, we get with the form. That Vru plus Nich. Vru plus Nich will become. Vru will become Var. Dirghatam Bhavati. Right? Ganta. Vru will become Var. So Var plus E. Vari, Vari, Vare, Varaya, Varayati. Nivarayati and all come from this only. Okay.
Mhm.
And another form also it is there. That is, there are, we will see later, dhatus in this gana which will not take niche. I mean, taking niche is optional. Adrishiya gana, we'll see that later. If niche is optional, then what is the form you get? It doesn't take niche. If you take niche,
Guna will happen.
it will take shab only.
Mm.
Take that too. So under katadgana kat visa, then gru dhatu if you take gru plus niche, gru will become. You see in my word file, I'm typing.
Yeah, yeah.
Gru will become. It will take vriddhi. Therefore var
Yeah. See?
because vari. Then vari plus the vari plus shab plus. Vari will become vare. Then vare plus a plus t, you get varayati. This is one form. And this dhatu, gru dhatu, we'll see that later. It can take niche optionally. If it takes niche, you get this form. If it doesn't take niche, then gru plus directly you add tip. So you get shab, gru plus shab plus tip. Gru will become var plus a plus t will get the form varati. Varati also is possible for the gru dhatu. The dhatus in this gana, nijanta, this Churadi gana, we will see the Adrishiya gana is there. So their niche is optional. But not here. I think Vara Ipsayam it will take. Okay, sorry. Vara Ipsayam, Dhatu is Vara. Oh, I don't know why I took Vru. By mistake I took Vru. Sorry. Okay. Vara Ipsayam is Adanta gana. We are talking about Adanta gana, right? So there it becomes Varayati only. Sorry. By mistake I did like this. I don't know why I took Bru. Bru is different. Bru is also in Churadi gana. That is different. Adrishiya gana. That we'll talk about that later. Sorry. By mistake I took that. Vara is the dhatu here. Vara ipsayam. If you see the dhatu pata, the next dhatu is Vara. By mistake I took it as a Bru. Vara ipsayam. 244. Okay. It is not Vru. By saying by Vara, I thought it is Vru, some connection. I took it wrongly. So Vara Ipsaya. So Vara is Adanta. It is Adanta. Therefore, like Kathadigana, Vara will become Vari. Same Katha become Kati. Therefore, Vara will become Vari. And you get the form Varayati. That is no problem. Varayati. Vrudhatu, I will explain what is that. It is coming later. You will see that Adrishiya Gana, that is. Then next one, Gana, Sankhyane, Adanta. All these are Adanta. Okay. How can it be Bru? Bru is not Adanta, it is Rikara. It is Ridanta Dhatu. So, mistake. Gana plus Nich will become.
Ganayati. Gani and then Ganayati.
Yes, Gana plus Nich will become Gani. And then if you add Tip, you get Ganayati. Like that, all the dhatus in this Gana you can do. Shata will become Shata, Shvata, Samyak Avabhashane. Shataha means robe. In Sanskritam, Shataha, the word is there. Shataha, robe.
What it means?
Here it is Samyak Avabhashane. Avabhashanam is not Samyak Bhashan. Samyak Avabhashana means is very good in using bad words. Samyak Avabhashan. That is why Shata is called robe. So, what will be the form? Shata will become
Shati.
Sati, Shate, Shataya.
Shatayati.
Similarly, Shvata. Shvata will become
Shvatayati.
Then Patha or Vata. Patha will take
Vatayati. Then.
Patayati. need to develop our vocabulary even for dhatus. We can use this. Translation, pata is bhashaya. So pathayati, similarly, becomes pathayati.
What is that meaning? Ji? Grante means?
Patha grante. Patha, this, they say now there's patuhu.
Intelligent. Isn't it?
Patuhu. So it's similarly here, patha is grante. Grante is says bhashayam. Right? But what is bhasha? Bhashayam means in the sense of language, in the sense of knowledge, in the sense of granth. The sense of granth. As a dhatu, grati, from that we get granth. Grati is bandhane. So in the sense of granthane, it is through cut, not through cut. Here the meaning is bhasha, granthe. In the sense of tying, that is how the meaning is. The sense of binding, patha, vatha. But
It's given as to split, to envelop, to clothe.
patha veshtane iti sutram patati kshiraswami kshiratarangina. Patha dhatu meaning is veshtane, to cover, to pervade. Iti sutram patati kshiraswami. This is according to Panini Maharishi. Vatha pata granthe. But in the other meaning is there bhashayam, in the sense of speaking. Vatha pata is the sense of speaking is there, or the sense of granthe, the sense of binding. That meaning also is there. What did he say? Pati?
Yeah, it's given both, Sharaji. To speak is also there in 10th Kana, and to split, to envelop, to clothe.
Yes. So patha, it is bhashayam is there, and yes, can take it as adantakana bhashayam churadigana. Yes. So to speak, that meaning is there, but here dhatu pata Panini Maharishi has given granthe. Grantha is to bind. That is it. Okay. Pata Shiraswami has given Veshtane. Vishdhatu. Parivesham, Vish, to enter. Veshtane. Veshti, pervades. Pervation, Vata. Okay. Then Raha. Raha Tyage. The sense of giving up. Raha. So the form would be Rahayati. So Rahayati. The form is Rahayati. So that we use the word Raha, where it is we use Rahayati. Anyway, Rahayati. Then Patha Gatau. Patha, it is there in the Prathamagana. Here also it is there. Patha Gatau Va. Patha Gatau Va. Gatau, it goes as Anuvatti for the next one also. So Patha is Gatau, Gatyartaka Dhatu. Patha. That becomes Patayati. Patha, in the Bhadigana, it is Patlu. Here it is Patha, Adanta. So to fall. So Patayati. Then Pasha, Anupasargat. Here Pasha is without the Upasarga. Anupasarga, now Upasargat. Pasha. Pasha meaning, that also meaning Gatau. Without Upasarga, it has a meaning of Gatau, to go. So therefore, Pashayati. Pashayati means go. There are many Gatyartaka dhatus. Dhatu pata. Swara. Swara Akshepe. Akshepe is objecting. Akshepe. Objecting Akshepe becomes Swara, will become Swari, Swarayati. Swara, it's in fact it is the sound, the speech, Shabda. But here it is Akshepe. Meaning is given Akshepe, Swarayati. You can see the footnote. this book is a very good book. It has given the footnote many information. You can see Rakhdatu Rakhigato iti adikam sutram patati Kshiraswami. Then 249, which is, oh, that is going to come. Raha Stanagadi Deva Shabde. Oh, I think I missed that. 249. Deva Shabda Ashiya Shabdaha Atra. Stanagadi Deva Shabde. Stanagadi. I think Stana Deva Shabde. Stana is a dhatu. Deva Shabda means Shabda sound which comes from Dev means heaven, from the sky. So therefore Stana means it is thunder. Thunder or something like that. Or Ashiriri also you can take. So Stana becomes Stanayati. And Gadi. Gadi is there. That is different. Stana Gadi. Stana is
Is
a
it one word? Stanagadi? Or
no,
is it one word?
Stana is one word. Gadi is another one.
Oh,
Deva Shabda Akashiya Shabdaha Atra. That's why I said it is Ashariri.
yeah, it's given to thunder. Yeah, sound.
Deva Shabde. Stana is one. Gadi is another one. Okay. Stana is
Okay, two words. Is it two words? Okay.
yeah. It is two words.
But Gadi should not come here, no? Gadantas Shabdas.
Is given why it is not known. Gada is there, Lektayam Vachi. It is there, Gadati in first Gana also. It is there in this Gana also. Stana and Gadi is there, but there is a Stana Gadi. Gada is there in Churadigana. Gada, Gadayati. That also means the same. Okay, but here Gadi is given, Stana Gadi. Two dhatus are there, Stana dhatu and Gadi dhatu. Both mean Deva Shabde. So Gadi is given, I don't know why he is in Gadi. The dhatu is Gada. Maybe the Gada is there in another place also, possible. Then Racha. Racha is Pratiyatne. Rachayati. Rachanam. Rachayita. Pratiyatne. Pratiyatne. Yatna means effort. Pratiyatne means to put effort and do something, to create. That's the meaning. Rachayati.
It's Gada only, it's given in the Dhatu Kosha.
Gana.
In Dhatu Kosha, it's given Gada only. That's our word.
Gada is what? Which Gana is given?
10th Gana to
10th.
thunder. Same Deva Shabde.
Yes. So other dhatu pata we refer to get the meaning of the sign. To thunder. Gada is there, Gadayati. Stana Gadi. From this only the dhatu kosha is derived for our understanding. Kala Gatau Sankhyanecha. Kala has got the meaning of to go. And in the sense of Sankhya means to count, I think. So Kala becomes Kalayati. The form would be Kalayati. Chaha. Adanta. Chaha is Parikalkane. Parikalkanam. Parikalkanam. Kalkanam is, I think, Kalkanam is to deceive, I think.
There is a footnote for that.
Given Parikalkanam. Kana Parikalkane. Number Dambaha. Okay, proud. Parikalkanam is Dambaha. Amanittam Adambitam. Dambitvam. Parikalkanam. To be proud. So Parikalkanam is Dambaha. So Chaha, Chahayati. Maha Pujayam. I think that's why from that we get Mahan. Mahan, Mahanto, Mahantaha. Deserve to be worshipped. Maha Pujayam. So Maha Pujayam, which is in Dvadigana also. Therefore, Mahayati. In this Gana, it becomes Mahayati. And if it is Churadigana, it becomes Makhdatu, becomes Maghati. Maghati is different. Maghati is, yes, in the Dvadigana also it is there. Then the next one, Sara. Sara Daurbalye. Kripa Shata. All these are Daurbalye, the sense of being weak. To be weak. Sara. Sara is Sarayati. Then Kripa is, yes. What is Kripa? Kripa will become form of kripa in the sense of daurbalya will be
Kripayati only.
kripayati. Kripi, kripe, kripaya, kripayati.
Kripayati.
Shratha. Shratha will become Shratha
Kripayati.
Tayati. Mokshan. It is the sense of Janadigana. It is in other page also it is there. But anyway, here it is Adantanga. Being Adantanga, therefore it becomes in the sense of Daurbalya, it is Shatayati. Shata in other page also it is there. We'll see. In Adrishiyatana. Spruha. Spruha we know. Ipsayam. Gita comes Spruha. Nirmamo Nirhankara Nispruha. Spruha in Stata Prajna Lakshana, second chapter. Ipsayam. To desire. Spruhayati. Sprahayati, sprahayataha, sprahayanti. Then bhama. Bhama is krode, in the sense of being angry, anger. Bhama, krode. So becomes bhama will become bhami, bhame, bhamaya, bhamayati. Krode. We can use all this in our translation, but you can take the meaning as it's given here. This is a popular meaning. All this given a popular meaning, so we can take and do. Then such, sucha, paishunye. So suchayati. It's called suchana, and all this comes from this dhatu. Suchana, notice, information, paishunye. Paishunam, that is to point out, to indicate, to inform. Then kheta. Kheta is bakshane. Yes, to eat. So it becomes ketayati, ketayataha, ketayanti. Kshota is kshepe, to throw. So becomes shotayati. Shota, kshepe, to throw. It is ubhayapadi, shotayati. Anyway, everything is ubhayapadi. Then goma. You can see a footnote for all this. Durgaha tu kheta ityasya sthane kheda iti patati. Durgaha is another dhatu pata. This Durgaha, there he reads kheda in the place of kheta. Apicha khota iti patati Maitreyaha swagrante dhatu pradipe. Maitreya is another dhatu pata. So therefore not only one dhatu pata. Dhatu pradipe swagrante Maitreyaha khota iti patati. Therefore khota iti also can be there. Then 265. Okay, 265 then. 261 we have read. And Goma Upalepane. Goma is Upalepane. What is Upalepanam? Lepanam is to touch, to taint. Lepanam, na limpati. So Goma becomes Gomayati. Upalepane, to taint. That's the meaning. Goma. Kumara is look like a shabda, but it is Kumara, means Kridayam, in the sense of playing. Kumarayati. Kumara, it's a dhatu. It's not, it is Kumara, not with youth. Kumara, Kridayam, 264. Upadharanam Abhyasaha. Sorry, not this 265, that is. Kumara is Kridayam, Kumarayati. Then Sheela. Sheela is Upadharane. Upadharane means, Dharana means to wear. Upadharana. Sheela, Sheelayati. Parishilayati. All those come from this dhatu. Sheelayati, Parishilanam, examine with Pari Upasarga. Then Sama, Santva Prayoge. Sama will become Samayati, the sense of Santva Prayoge. The sense of to make happy, to pacify. Santa Prayoge, Samayati. So like that, all the dhatu you can see. Okay. So Velayati, Palpula, Palpulavana Pavana Yogo, Palpula. All these things, palpula itself the dhatu. Okay. That is not pal, that is not pula. Only one word. Palpulayati, palpulayataha, lavana pavana yogo. What is lavana pavana yogo? It is to clean. Pavanam, lavana, pavana is to purify. So lavana pavana, to purify, that's the meaning. So similarly, other in this gana you can see. Nivasa achadane, you can see nivasa. So nivasayati. Nivasayati is not namadhatu. Nivasayati achadane in the sense of cover. Nivasayati. Then bhaja. Bhaja is pratak karmani. To separate it out. Pratak karmana. Vibhaja, bhaja. So to separate. Bhajayati. Sabhajayati. Una. What is una? Una is -1. That's all una. It means to reduce. Parihane. Unayati. Dhvana shabde. Dhvanayati. Kuta. Paritape. Kotayati. Paritapa. Tapa is to burn. Kuta. Tapa is to burn. Paritapa is to cause pain. Paritapanam. Kutayati. Kutayataha. Kutayati. Sanketa, grama, kuna, guna, cha. Amantrane. Amantrane means invitation. Sanketa is amantra visa. Amantra is invitation or some sanketana, some sign. That's the meaning, to invite. Sanketa. So sanketayati, all in the sense of the meaning. Sanketayati, gramayati, kunayati, gunayati, etc. Stena chaurye, stena yati. Stena means thief, chaurye. Okay, all these words you can just read. When you have time, you can just read. With the footnote, you can. So Adantanga goes up to, I'm just skipping that. Many dhatus we don't even use. We can learn all these dhatus. Let us spend some time. At least these dhatus are there. So Churadeha Vrittaha, up to this end of this Churadigana. So starting from, I think, 241 up to 332, these are Adantaha. Okay. Now, after Adantanga, the next dhatu we'll see this Churadigana. The Churadigana, there is Ikaranta, Ukaranta also it is there. One minute we'll see. Here it is Ikaranta dhatu. I have seen some dhatu. There is one dhatu, Ji dhatu.
Li is there. Vriji.
So Ikara, if we take Ji dhatu is there. Ji is meaning Jaye, that is there in the Jayati, Jayataha, Jayanti, Dvadigana, but here also it is there. Anyway, I have to find out. I will go the index. Fine. The Ji dhatu also is there in this Gana. Ji is Bhashayam, to speak. So I just take the dhatu and just we'll do that. Ikaranta dhatu, another. So Adanta it's a long list. So I'm not doing all the dhatus. Important dhatus, Katha, Gana, these are important dhatus. Kshipa become Kshepayati, all those. Mriga also is there, but all those things you can take, Mrigayati, etc. Then Ikaranta dhatu we can do. Ikaranta dhatu. One example I will do from this Gana. Ji dhatu. Ji means not Jayati, Ji here Bhashayam. Okay, let me write the meaning also. Bhashayam, the sense of speaking. Ji Bhashayam. Bhashayam, Ji. So Ji will become Bhashayam, to speak. And what will be the form? G will become G plus Nich will
J,
become.
Jaya, J,
Sorry.
G will become Vriddhi, no?
Jai,
Jai will be.
Vriddhi will.
Vriddhi, yeah, Jai.
So G will become Jai. Very good. Then Jai plus Nich.
E,
After
Jai.
that, what will happen?
Then Jai will become Ja, right?
Jai will become
Jaya.
Ja,
Jaya.
Ja,
Jaya.
Jaya.
Agent
Jaya.
that is
Ja.
Makaranta.
I
Yeah.
becomes A.
Ah.
Becomes A.
So
Jai.
H the
Agent
dhatus,
dhatus will become.
H dhatus will be replaced by Akara.
Akaranta.
Very
Will
good.
get Atadish.
Agent Dadata will be replaced by Akara. That
Akaranta.
right? That you should apply. Agent Dadatu will be replaced by Akara. Please remember that. So don't do Sandhi. Don't do Sandhi. Sandhi, if you do, what will happen? I will become,
I, then that.
it becomes Jai. So
Jai.
it becomes Jai. But we say that this is a specific, okay. G Dhatu is very specific. We have seen in Najanta. If you remember Najanta section. Okay, 1 minute, I'll open that file. Najanta, we have seen specifically G Dhatu. So you have to remember for this Ajanta replaced by Akara. Under that, we have seen specifically for G Dhatu.
Yeah, Pukkagama will come. Chapayati form.
Pukkagama will come. No, and why G Dhatu is replaced by A? Pukkagama will come, that comes later. Why G Dhatu?
Yeah, Jai become Jai.
Rameshwaraji, you told G Dhatu, Jai will be replaced by A, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It is only for the dhatu which are patitam in the dhatu pata. Aupadeshika dhatu nameva akara desha bhavati. Dhatus, the dhatu pata, just now we saw dhatu pata, that book. Dhatus which are listed in the dhatu pata, which end with H. So, Ejanta dhatu. Dhatu nam patitanam Ejanta dhatu nam sthane akaraha desha bhavati. But here G is a dhatu. G becomes Jai. Is it Aupadeshika dhatu? Yes or no? Is the dhatu patitam in the dhatu pata? Jai?
No, it is not.
Yes or no?
No.
It is not, but then how do you make it ja? Ajanta dhatu followed by the pratyaya other than the pratyaya which doesn't begin with shakara, shit letter, then replace it by a. You said how it is. Okay, let me show that. Let me. You please see in Nijanta we have seen this.
Yeah, it is replaced by Atadesha, like that. I remember something.
Yeah, it's like the die.
Happen.
Die and all we have done, you know. Yapayati, like that I thought.
Yeah. Yechagastane a adeshaha bhavati. Ashiti pratyaye pare. You can just see. In the place of H, akara adesha will come when the pratyaya doesn't begin with shakara. That is shakara as ita letter. Follows. Then only H, in the place of H, akara adesha will come. Now, ejantaha yaha dhatuhu upadeshe. That is in the dhatu pata. That the dhatu pata, there are dhatus, gai, glai, etc. Those dhatus are there. Tasya akara adesha bhavati. Kada shiti pratye na bhavati chet. So gai dhatu becomes gai plus tavya. Gai plus tavya, what will happen? Gai will become, gai is a dhatu.
Ga,
Patitam is a dhatu pata. So gai will become ga. When?
ga.
Followed by the pratyaya, not beginning with the ita letter shakara. The gai will become ga, ga
Ga.
plus tavya. So gai becomes glaniya, etc. We know. Now, if you, the next one, if you take ajantas of the dhatu pata, the ajantas of the upadesha, that is dhatu pata, gets atva adesha. This is number one. This is what you told. Now, The dhatus don't need not know the sutra. If you want to know the sutra, we can also note Adeshaha Upadesha Adecha Upadesha Ashiti. That is sutra. Fine. But there are dhatus, Dukring dhatu, Ji dhatu. This is what is interested. Ji dhatu. Dukring is one dhatu, not Dukrung, Dukring. Which gana is that? Kri. Kriyadi
Ninth.
Ninth kana, ninth
gana dhatu. So ninth gana dhatu, Kri dhatu, and Ji dhatu, which is there in first gana as well as in Churadi gana also it is there. And Adi Purvaka in dhatu. These three dhatus, even though they are not Ajanta, but becomes Ajanta. When Ni follows. How does it become Ajanta? Vriddhi will happen, right? So Ji become Jai.
Jai.
For only for these three dhatus, even though the Upadeshika Rupam doesn't end with H, even though they are not Ajanta dhatus, but becomes Ajanta because of Ni, for them also Atvam is ordained. Okay. So therefore only you can say here Ji become Jai, Jai can be Ja. Otherwise you cannot say. Understand?
Okay.
But there is a difference of opinion in this. That Ji dhatu, they say the dhatu is first gana only, not the 10th gana. Not the 10th gana, they say. So if Ji dhatu is only first gana, for them only if Atvam is ordained. And this Ji dhatu which is Churadi gana, there Atvam cannot be ordained. If the Atvam is not ordained, then Jai plus E, what will happen? Ayadi Sandhi will apply, I plus E. In that case, I will be replaced by
I. Therefore, Jai.
Jai plus E becomes
Jai.
so Jai, the form you get, and now Jai will you can derive Jai plus Tip will become Jai.
Jai plus Shak will come. Again another yakara. Jai.
Jai will become Jaye, Jaye plus A plus T, then Jaye, A plus A will become,
I. So
what is the form? Jai plus Shap plus Tip. Anybody? Tell me what is the form?
E will drop.
Ja. One up. Yakara will be dropped. Jayai. Jayati.
We are doing a simple Ayadi Sandhi. What will happen? Sangamitra? Jaye plus A plus T.
Jaya will become
Jayati.
A plus A, again Ayadi Sandhi. A will
Ayadi Sandhi.
I plus A.
Jayati.
Jaya.
Just do Melanam. Jayayati it will be.
Yeah.
Okay. Not drop here. No, sir.
Yeah.
Why you
Jayayati.
dropping Sumati ji?
No, I thought Jai. I was wondering. You have to.
A plus A is Ayadi Sandhi, right?
Yeah.
A plus A is Ayadi Sandhi. Then, okay. Anyway, you asked me that, therefore let me respect that. This doubt should not be there. Jaye plus A. You said it becomes Jayai, then Yakara will drop.
Yakara will drop. Yeah. That's what I
Yakara
thought.
will drop, then what will happen? Then you cannot join that at all.
Yeah. I know.
Then Jaya plus A will become Jaya plus A. You cannot do the Sandhi at all. Okay. Now you see, why do you say Yakara will drop? Because you know that rule, that is that Yakara preceded by A followed by
Not Akara, other than Akara. It should be Hach.
followed by other than Akara. That is why other than Akara we say that. Right?
Yeah.
So this Yakara dropping, it is in Tripadi. And Jaye plus A, you do, yeah, of course it is in Tripadi. Yeah, it's in Tripadi. Fine. Yakara will drop only other than Akara. That's the condition. That's why Sandhi chart we specifically say other than Akara, right? Fine. That is the reason. So therefore you get Jaya Yati. So taking Ji Dhatu, in that Ji Dhatu to be belonging only to the Vadigana, therefore not ordaining Atvam, you get the form Jayati. Taking Ji Dhatu to mean both both the Gana Dhatu, Vadigana as well as Churadigana. In that case, what will happen? Because there is a difference of opinion in this. Therefore, I'm giving both. Taking Ji Dhatu belonging to Churadigana also. In that case, Jai plus Nich. So Jai will become what? Jai will be replaced by
Ja.
Ja. Now Ja plus E. What will happen?
Pukkagama will come.
Pukkagama will come. That's
Now becomes
Japayati.
Akara
Japayati.
to Pukkagama will come. Ja plus E will become Japi.
Japi, Japayati.
Japayati.
So yeah, therefore you get Japi, Jape, Japaya, Japayati. This form also it is given in fact I think in the website it is given. One of you can confirm.
This is what I written in my notes also, Shanji. Ji Dhatu in 10th Kana,
Ji
you have given
Dhatu,
it as Japayati.
Ji Dhatu, its causative form you would have written for the Vadigana. Okay. But Churadigana, because in that the rule what I show you now.
6148, this rule.
Yeah, that's what it's 648.
Means, no.
Ji Dhatu, in that Kashika Vritti, I think he says Ji Dhatu is Jaye, Vadigana it's taking. But there are some people which G means they take also the Churadigana also. So therefore, if you this already we have seen, it's not something new. Okay, G become Japi Japayati, taking G to be Jaye. So Japayati, that we can take the Churadigana also. G meaning if you take Japayati is one form, another form is Jayayati. Both are possible. Okay, so Jayayati. There we do Ayadi Sandhi and Japayati, where we convert that into a Akaranta Dhatu. Then after that ordering Pukkagama. So both forms are possible. Is it clear? So
Yes,
let me, okay, we have to see whether which one is, because this in the website here, Japayati form is given.
You told the time it's optional form only.
Yeah, in other place, Jayati also is given. So which one is correct? I mean, we can take both. I think no harm in, I think, in this. Okay, so this is Ikaranta Dhatu. Similarly, I will give you homework. You try so that we can stop now. Ikaranta Dhatu and Ikaranta Ukaranta. One Dhatu example. Now we can do Ukaranta Dhatu. You can try this as a homework. Take this support of. If they to know the form from the website also. Ukaranta Dhatu Chu you can take. Then Ukaranta, one Dhatu is enough. This Gana is same as the other Gana. Other Gana we have seen. So no issue will be there in this. Guru Dhatu you can take. Rikaranta and Rikaranta Dhatu. When you deal with the Rikaranta, remember that Ita Adesha will come. Remember, Rutaha, Rikaranta will get I Adesha, therefore become Ir. We have seen Tudadigana. Kru will become Kir. Kirati, Kirataha, Kiranti.
Yeah,
Like that, if Rikaranta is there, you have to remember that. What will happen to Pru? Pru will become? Okay. No, Pru will become. Pru will become, okay, I think we'll talk about that. Pru will become Parayati. That's also we saw, I think. No problem. I will tell you in the next class. Pru is Rikaranta will be replaced by, if it is replaced by Ikara, not Ikara. In fact, it should be replaced by Ukara. It should come Pur, but it is not Pur. It takes Vriddhi only. Pru will become Par. Those things we will see. We will do that in the next class. So one example is enough for each Anta. So Ikaranta we have seen. Then Ukaranta, simple. Chu is there. What will be the form? Chu will become?
Jyoti.
Not Jyoti.
Not
Will become, who is there? Who will become?
Oh.
What will happen?
Okay, Vriddhi.
Vriddhi will happen. Then what is the form? You derive the form and give me the form. Chau, right? Chau
Yeah,
plus Tit. What will happen?
Become then.
Shyavayati.
Shyavayati. Okay.
Kru will become?
Garayati.
Gari, Gare, Garaya,
Garayati.
Whereas pru here,
Parayati.
you would have think that you would have thought that it is pur and pur will become pur, purayati, but it is not. Pru here, it will be undergo vriddhi only. So you get pru will become par, pari, pare, parayati.
Parayati.
That's all. You can do the derivation part. I have given you the answer. Okay. So this one example for each is enough. You can take the dhatu pata and you can try different dhatus and do the forms. Okay. So we'll stop here. We'll continue on Friday. Monday I am not there. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Dhanyawad, Sharanji.